morning everyone. We the tiny tots of pre-primary wing of Delhi Public School, Durgapur are here to celebrate the bond of love between a brother and a sister. The festival of Raksha Bandhan strengthens this bond between the siblings.
This festival is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Shravan according to the Hindu calendar.
On this auspicious occasion, the sisters tie a sacred thread that is Rakhi on their brother's wrist. On the other hand, the brothers in turn bless their sisters and pledge to protect them and care for them all their lives. People celebrate this festival with abundant zeal and enthusiasm in India. So, let's begin the assembly with a song on Raksha Bandhan presented by the students of class 1. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. On this day, sisters tie a special band on their brother's wrist as a mark of affection. This thread is called the Rakhi. The brothers in return take a lifelong vow to protect their sisters. Well, there are many stories in Indian history that mention about this festival, like Krishna and Draupadi, Rani Karnavati and Humayun, Goddess Lakshmi and King Bali. Here we have the student of LKG and UKG depicting the story of Krishna and Draupadi, followed by a dance by the student of UKG and class 1. Rejoicing to the tunes of Rakhi Bandhana, Bhumi Gana. Thank you.
Festival of Rakhi has its roots right in the epic of Mahabharata. Shri Krishna had an aunt named named Shruta Devi. She gave birth to a deformed child named Shishupala. Shishupala would be killed by the same person whose touch would bring him back to normality. Shruta Devi looking at the child and crying, "You will be killed by someone who will make you normal."
You will be killed by someone who will make you normal.
One day, Sri Krishna came to his aunt Shruta Devi's house and took Shishupala in his arms, and to their surprise, Shishupala became normal and handsome. Shruta Devi became happy to see her son, but at the same time, she was very unhappy. Shruta Devi said to Krishna, "Please pardon my child and save his life."
Please pardon my child and save his life.
Krishna was moved by her request of her aunt and said, "I will excuse him for his misdeeds, but I will punish him if he crosses 100 mistakes."
I will excuse him for his mistake, but I will punish him. Cross 100 mistakes.
After some time, Shishupala grew up and he became the ruler. But he used to be a very brutal king and used to torture people in his kingdom.
Ha ha ha! Nobody can do anything to me. Once Shishupala started to abuse Krishna in front of the court and crossed his 100 mistakes. That is it, Shishupala. He has crossed 100 mistakes. Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra at Shishupala and killed him. As Krishna charged his Sudarshan Chakra, his finger got cut. Draupadi rushed toward him and tear a piece from her sari and wrapped it around the wounded finger. Thank you, sister. I come to rescue you whenever you are in trouble. This incident has laid the ritual of Raksha Bandhan. Krishna kept his word by rescuing Draupadi when Kauravas insulted Draupadi by dragging her sari. Thus, the ritual of Raksha Bandhan emerged, and every year this day is celebrated throughout the nation as a symbol of love between a brother and a sister.
छोड़ेंगे ना हम एक दूसरे का साथ, पकड़े रहेंगे हम एक दूसरे का हाथ, पकड़े रहेंगे हम एक दूसरे का हाथ। रक्षा बंधन का है ये पवित्र बंधन, रक्षा बंधन का है ये पवित्र बंधन। हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन, हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन, हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन, हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन।
Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. It is the celebration of a chaste bond of love and protection between a brother and a sister. A short tribute to our Kovat warriors wrapped in envelopes with a few grains of rice, a pinch of tikka. Rakhi was the symbol of love shared between siblings, has now become the carrier of thank you for those who have been the front line warriors at the war against Corona. Let us recognize the selfless service of doctors, police, nurses who risk their family to protect the nation at the fight against the pandemic. With this small tribute by the children of pre-primary wing of Delhi Public School, Durgapur, towards the Kovat warriors through this auspicious festival is indeed going to be very special.
Raksha Bandhan is a symbol of unique and special relationship shared by the siblings. During this occasion, we see the market flooded with colorful Rakhis and gifts. So here we present the beautiful Rakhis made by the students of pre-primary wing, followed by a concluding dance by the students of nursery and LKG.
चमकारो सी,
झिलमिल चांद सितारो सी, चम 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 चमकारो सी।
भाई को हर साल बांधती बहना राखी बंधन।
हैप्पी
रक्षाबंधन,
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन। पहले तिलक लगाती है, फिर बांधती राखी है।
हाँ पहले तिलक लगाती है, फिर बांधती राखी है।
मिठाई खिलाकर बहन भाई से लेती रक्षा का वचन।
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन,
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन।
क्या रिश्ता क्या नाता है, ये हमको समझाता है।
हाँ, क्या रिश्ता क्या नाता है, ये हमको समझाता है।
भाई बहन के प्यार को महकाता जैसे चंदन।
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन,
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन,
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन।
क्या रिश्ता क्या नाता है, ये हमको समझाता है।
हाँ, क्या रिश्ता क्या नाता है, ये हमको समझाता है।
भाई बहन के प्यार को महकाता जैसे चंदन।
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन,
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन,
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन, हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन।